Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Xiaomi's Redmi 6 Pro. Peeling off the plastic, this is how the box looks like. So opening the box, firstly we have the phone. Let's put that aside and take a look at other contents inside the box. Next we have a leaflet which consists of a clear case and then this documentation like warranty information and user guide. Inside the box we have a micro USB cable and power adapter. Here I'm peeling off the plastic, turning on the phone and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register our fingerprint, which takes a few seconds and the fingerprint scanner unlocks instantly. Next there's also face unlock. Setup is completed in a few seconds and it unlocks the phone fairly quickly. For this price it's good enough. It takes a while to scan the face, but once it's done it unlocks instantly. In terms of storage, it has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, out of which about 23 gigabytes is available out of the box. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM and it's running Oreo right out of the box. In terms of physical overview, on the front here we have the camera, earpiece and sensors, and then down here we have on-screen buttons. To the right we have power and volume buttons, to the left we have SIM card slot. To the bottom we have speaker and micro USB port. To the top we have 3.5mm headphone jack and noise cancelling microphone and infrared. On the back we have the dual camera setup and flash, then the fingerprint scanner, and to the bottom we have the Mi branding. I've also quickly shot some camera samples and this is how they turned out. In terms of weight, it weighs at 175 grams, which feels a little heavy, but that's to be expected considering the fact that it has a massive 4000 mAh battery inside. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video, it will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.